In this tutorial, we'll see how to make your own contactless map for your guest at the concierge. After COVID-19, this is one of the most featured requests that I have received. Go to Google My Maps and click on Create a New Map. Once there, you will get a screen which looks like this. Change the name from Untitled Map to whatever is the name of your hotel. Maybe you can call it Attractions Around a Hotel. So this is a hotel that we have worked with in the past, Hotel Coral in Cochin. I'll use that as an example. So the first thing you do is find out the hotel or your hotel and add it to the layer. Once you do that, you can stylize that, add icons for hotel, you can change the color, maybe give it a red or something so that it is different from any other color that is there on the map. This will ensure that as soon as a guest looks at it, you will be able to identify the hotel very fast and make sure that it stands out within the map. Go to the individual styles, change the style to sort by name, set by name. Okay, now that your hotel is set, this is where we start to add more attractions near your hotel. You could start with railway stations, you could start with shopping places, you could start with offices. You can make as many maps as you want. In this example, we will add the railway station nearest to the hotel. It's only 500 meters away, so we are going to add the railway station first. We will add it with a blue color. Now, if you don't find the icons here, you can click on more icons that is available. You have a filter, you can type train or whatever you are looking for and add that icon. So we just change the layer to hotel and transport. And then what we will do is we will continue adding other rounds of transportation and things like that. So in Cochin you have 2 stations, you add the second station, and then similarly you go ahead and keep adding all the other metro station and things like that. So in this example, what I have done is in the same layer I have added the stadium and the beach as well, but you can create as many layers as you want. Now, in case you want another layer where you want your restaurants and things like that, then you can create a new layer. In the new layer, you can add saying restaurant names, restaurant near me, whatever you want to call it, and then you do the same process. Go to the search bar, type the name of the restaurants that you want to show on the map. So in this particular hotel, we have something called as North 18 Lounge, so I'll add that into it, change the font, the icon to a lounge, change the color, give it a, what do we choose? Okay, a purple, and then go ahead and add a few more restaurants. So once we have that, we can save the map, we can preview the map. This is how the map looks. So on the left you have all the attractions, you have the various layers, you have the various attractions. Now, in order to make it contactless, what you have to do is you need to change the setting. You need to remove the editors can change permission and share, and then save that so that nobody is able to change this map. Make sure that the viewer rights are there. Done. And then embed on my site. Once you get this screen, only take the relevant piece of the code, that is what is in between the double quotes, starting from HTTPS to just before the width. Go into another tab, make sure you check that it is coming in proper. So in this map we had added the North 18 Lounge, you can see there. We had added Fort Cochin in green, and if you click on the panel, you will see that the panel opens with all your places. Now take that link, go to a website for creating the QR code. You can go to any website. I use QR code -monkey. And then we take this link that we had copied, put it in the URL generator. If you want to add a logo in between, you can add a logo in between. It will come right in the center. That can be your hotel logo or something. You can upload an image. You can customize the design, make some changes. I will show you how it looks. Once you press the QR code, you will see that the image has changed. It's not looking like a standard QR code. You can download it as a PNG file or a PDF file or a EPS file and then save it. And once you open it, you have a QR code which is ready, which you can send it to your printer. And that's it. That's as simple as somebody scans this QR code in your hotel, you will have a ready-made map of your hotel customized with your attractions that you can share with your guest. If they are afraid of touching a map or something like that, they need not touch a map. All you have to show is this QR code and you know that they will be safe. Thank you for watching this video.